myself JKH. Today I am making this educational video for one of the most important topics in construction safety. Name of today's topic is a scaffold. Scaffold is a temporary platform generally made by steel tubes used to elevate and support workers and materials during the construction, repair and cleaning of structure or machine. Types of scaffold. Independent scaffold. There are fewer posts and members. Cantilever scaffold, extended and supported by knee bracing. Hanging scaffold, suspended platforms or supports. Bird cage scaffold, well structured and supported all around, almost in square basket shape. Mobile scaffold, they are having wheels to move from one place to another place. Then parts of scaffold. Several parts like base plate, seal or sole plate, standard, transom, runners, leasers, couplers, bracing, platforms, guardrails. In guardrails there is top rail, mid rail and toe boards, ladders, outriggers, base jacks, wheels with locking casters. Bracings are several types like cross bracing, knee bracing, transverse bracing, diagonal bracing. Type of couplers, they are having right angle or swivel couplers, each having 610 kg SWL. Slip and ladder coupler having 550 kg SWL. Plank clamp having 565 kg SWL. Beside this there is beam clamp having 3000 kg SWL, mostly used for hanging scaffold. SWL calculation. There are three categories of scaffold platform, like light duty scaffold having SWL 122.36 kg per meter square, medium duty scaffold 244.72 kg per meter square, and heavy duty scaffold 367.08 kg per meter square. How to calculate this SWL? It is simple: dead weight plus 4 times of live weight. Dead weight means weight of the materials to make the scaffold, and live weight means weight of the personnel working on it and other TNPs. Say for example 10 person working on a platform, so average weight is 70 kg, so personnel weight will be 0.7 ton and TNPs and other materials say 5 ton, and as per this chart the scaffold material weight is 7 ton. So total SWL will be 7 into total SWL will be as per this formula 29.8 ton, so it is 30 ton. Hazards and control of scaffold. 65% of construction employees make use of scaffold. About 4,500 injuries occurs each year. Out of this 50 fatalities happen. These hazards are like fall from height, slippage, collapse of structure, electrocution, getting struck by falling objects. To control the hazards, one needs to adhere to use of standard procedure and standard scaffold material, follow OSHA's code 1926.451 to 454, giving regular briefing and training, ensure proper supervision and inspection by authorized person, ensure proper fall protection and approach, proper housekeeping and cleanliness, ensure to use JSA, checklist, signage and tagging. Now let us see how the scaffold structure is made. Ensure level and form base and barricade the area. Choose base plate and seal or sole plate accordingly. Maintain at least 10 feet distance from the electrical hazards. Put standard or post and engage by bearer and runner. Lateral span can be 6 feet and longitudinal span can be 6.5 to 10 feet depending on load capacity of platform. Tube dia for scaffold is generally 63.5 mm and thickness 4 mm. Use standard couplers and lasers for joining. Independent scaffold can be done by cup and cone arrangement. To extend the post, joint pin also can be used. Maximum height of structure can be taken up to 38.1 meter. Necessary bracings are to be ensured: cross bracing, transverse or longitudinal bracing. For overhanging, knee bracing also to be done. Planks or jalis are to be used for making platform. Number of platform generally for light duty 3, medium duty 2 and heavy duty platform 1. Gap between two planks should not cross 1 inch and they are to be properly locked and clamped. Width of each plank can be 10 inch and thickness 2 inch. Overhanging allowed for plank is 150 to 300 mm and minimum width of a platform is 900 mm. Ensure toe board, mid rail and top rail. Fall protection arrangement must to be also to be ensured. Put aluminium ladder with at least 1 meter extension from the top, and 75-degree angles to be maintained for the ladder, and height in base ratio is to 4:1. Minimum clearance between platform edge and working faces to be maintained, that is 350 mm. It is to be erected and dismantled under proper supervision of qualified scaffolder. Also, after clearance, green tag is to be ensured. Thank you for listening. Hope you understood and it will be helpful.